Range Rover Evoque for you guys today. A little bit of a different one from some heater blowers. There's a 2016 plate. We got an issue with this one when it most of the time it doesn't start. Sometimes as well the ignition will come on, turn back off. See if I can show you. So as it stands, the ignition's coming on at the moment, but when we try and start it, sometimes it'll start and cut out. There we go, just died straight away there. And then sometimes when we try and put the ignition on, that'll go off. Ignore the battery voltage warning low, it's just where we've been cranking it a lot, but it's like this with a full battery or not. So this one's been looked at somewhere else already, and I'll show you now. They've suspected an issue with the lift pump in the back, so very kindly for the customer, they've put an angle grinder straight through the floor there, changing the lift pump, and they've been in the wiring, looking at the connector there. So it's just a quick video to let you know that we'll be looking into this over the next week, and we'll do another video just to show you, what was causing the fault. Now we got to the bottom of it. So yeah, stay tuned and thanks for watching.